Canada Express Entry Visa. Who is it for? Express Entry immigration to Canada is open to skilled foreign workers, tradespersons, and graduates with ability in English and/or French. Individuals of any age may become a candidate, but preference is given to younger workers seeking immigration to Canada. How does it work? Since January 2015, eligible individuals can express their interest in becoming a permanent resident of Canada. Eligibility may be through the Federal Skilled Worker class, the Canadian Experience class, or the Federal Skilled Trades class. Candidates are assigned a score out of 1,200 points based on their education, career history, and other personal details, and will be ranked against other candidates under what is called the Comprehensive Ranking System (CRS). When draws from the Express Entry pool occur, the top-ranking candidates are invited to apply for Canadian permanent residence. While in the pool, candidates can strive to increase their CRS points total, and thus their ranking, by proving better human capital factors. For example, by retaking a language test or completing additional work experience. Moreover, a candidate may obtain a qualifying job offer or a provincial nomination through one of the many Express Entry Aligned Provincial Nominee Program (PNP) streams. A provincial nomination is particularly valuable, as it results in 600 additional CRS points being awarded to the candidate, who will then be invited to apply in a subsequent draw from the pool. What's the advantage? Express Entry has proven to be a quick route for immigration to Canada, with more than 80% of applications processed within 6 months. The process is entirely online, and it is easy to track the status of the application. Furthermore, Express Entry is a system that rewards proactive individuals who can prove to the government that they are likely to be economically successful upon settlement in Canada. How much does it cost? About $1,500 $2,000, including educational and language assessments, obtaining documents, and payment of fees. If you complete the process yourself, hiring representation, that is, a regulated lawyer or consultant, would entail additional fees, but this is a price that many candidates feel is worth the outlay. How long does it take? About 4 to 6 months from when you submit the application. In advance of this, additional time may be required to complete any relevant tests and obtain documents. Other considerations. Success in this system is not guaranteed, as the government invites only a portion of candidates from the pool when it conducts one of its draws. However, the government has stated that the Express Entry pool is now the main source of economic immigration to Canada, and over time the stress cut-off threshold has decreased substantially. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.